Let me show you how to make realistic 3D Chrome text in Photoshop. First, create a text layer using black text and convert it into a 3D object by going into 3D, New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Then match the background's perspective with the Orbit tool from the Properties. Go into the Shapes preset and select the Inflate option. Next, go into the Layers panel, select the Background layer, and make a selection out of the canvas by pressing Ctrl on Windows, and copy the pixels. Then go back into the 3D panel. Select Environment, then from the Properties panel click on this icon and select New Texture. Under Document Type select Clipboard and press OK. Next, we'll edit the texture. In this document you can simply paste the background, save it and close it. Next, select all the materials in this 3D object and increase the metallic slider to 100 and reduce the roughness slider to 0. Then render the image to see the buildings reflecting on the 3D Chrome text.